What's up, ladies and gentlemen, it's your boy LB and welcome back again to my new tutorial video. Guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how to create this effect: image, text or video attaching on the wall by using this tracking method in Adobe After Effects. So now I'm going to show you how to create this effect in Adobe After Effects. Stick around, don't forget to subscribe and drop the comment down below. So now let's get a jump on it. As you see here, guys, this is my video clip which I'm going to use for making this effect. Okay, this is my video, how it is. So the things I have to do, you have to click here on it and then you go here on this track camera. Okay, so cause I'm going to tracking this video. Okay, when you don't see this tracker here, you can go here on window and then you have to make sure this tracker is enabled. Alright, so now let's come back here and then I have to move this blue line here on the beginning of the clip, and then you click here on this clip and then you click here on this track camera. So now you have to wait a few moments because this effect is gonna track, is gonna analyzing this background of the clip. You see here, guys, it depends because my video it has 328 frames, so now I have to wait a few minutes. Alright guys, so after making the tracking method, you see I received the point here on my footage clip. So for this tracking effect settings here, there is some tracking point here. I can increase, for example, the point size, okay, something like this. So when you play, guys, you see the point is already attached to my video clip. So the things I have to do, and I'm going to select some point which can I use, okay, for adding that image or text or anything which I want. Okay, so I want to attach something on the wall. I can choose like this one, for example. Let me select this one and then I have to right click on it and then click here on create solid and camera. Okay, so you see, guys, I receive some solid here, and then this is the layer of that solid, right? So and I'm going to rename this layer as layer track, like this. That's fine. And then after rename it, and then I'm going also to pre-compose. Right click and then go here on pre-compose. The name is also layer track comp, and then you press OK, guys, and then double click. You see here I have already imported on this track solid layer, so I have to add the video here, I have to add the image here. This is where you have to add anything you want. Okay, so but first you have to know what the composition, what the sequence this track solid layer it has. So now you go here on this composition and then you go on composition setting, and then you see how the composition is, the width and height. So because I'm going to add a video which has the full frame, full HD, so 19 to 20 up to 10 to 80, so I have to add 1920 up to 1080. So then you click OK. Let me check again. Also, I have to animate this stuff. So 19 to 20. Okay, this is 10 to 80. You see, guys, what I got. So now here I can also delete this track solid because I'm going to import my own video. So now let me import my video. Let me go here on file and then click import. So this is the video which I'm going to add on. So they have to move down here. So then this is my video. Okay, so now when I come back here on this first composition, guys, you see how the video is. So the things I have to do, and I'm going to arrange. Okay, I have to open up this transform by using this rotation, something like this. Let me use this rotation, and I have to move this video here, and I have to put it up, and I have to scale it. Okay, let me scale it like this, in this way. So when I play, you see here there is video attaching on this wall. You see, guys. So yeah, I can put back something like this. So when you pray, you see how the video is. This is nice, but let me try to move it here because I just want to separate with this router. Okay, I have to put it here. Okay, looks nice. Here it is on the top. When the footage comes down, it is also attaching on the wall. This video is fixed on this wall, guys. Okay, yeah, that's pretty good, guys. As I told you, if you want to add anything here for this, if it is text, you have to go here on this layer track, double click, and then you can delete this video, and then you type anything you want. And if you have to add, for example, the video which is on 4K, and then you go here on composition, you come here on composition setting, and you add the measure of 4K resolution, which is 38 to 40 and to 2160. This is the measure of the video which is in the 4K, but for me, I'm using the full frame. That's the reason why I don't have to use this 4K. So you click here on cancel. I'm using the full HD video. Okay, guys, this is how you can attach the video on the wall. So now let me show you how to add, for example, the text or image. Okay, so guys, for this second video, and I just want to show you how I add the text or image, because it's the same method. And then I have to click on my image here like this, and then I go here to the track camera, and I have to wait. Okay, so as I told you, you see I receive also another point. So now I'm going to find the point type which I have to use here. So let me use this point which was here on keyboard. So let me try to select this one and right click, and then go here to solid, create, and camera. Okay, right. When you open up this track solid, I can rotate by using this X, Y, and Z. Yeah, something like this. This is nice. And then after, let me also right click here on it, and then click here on pre-compose. Let me call it like text, for example, and then press OK, and then double click on it. I have already entered on this track solid layer. Okay, so here I can change the composition to, let me go here on this composition setting, and okay, let me try to use the 4K resolution. Okay, 3840. Yes, that's nice. And then you press OK, and then I'm going to delete this track solid. So here I can text anything I want. For example, let me type my name. Yeah, this is my name. And let me try, let me change the font. Go here, New Romans. Let me use this one. This is nice. And then I have to choose the white color. Even you can choose any color you want. Because I have to already choose the white. So this is nice. And then let me back on the first composition. Let me see how it is. You see my name, it is over here. Here I can increase the size of it. So, and when you play, guys, you see this video, this effect is already touched on my table. Looks nice, man. Okay, Guys, this is how you can create this effect. Text, video, image, it's the same. We can touch it on anything you want in Adobe After Effects. If you like my video, guys, please don't forget to subscribe, leave the like, leave thumbs up, drop your comment down below. I just want to know what you think. See you in next video. Peace.